Hello there. In this tutorial, we will show you content and styling for footer top settings. For that, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. Under Appearance, click Customize. On the next screen, click Color and Background. Then Footer Top Style. From here, you can select text color, link hover color, and border color, and then the background option itself. You can either select a background color or select a image as your background image, and the background image settings. Those are really self-explanatory. So let's move to the styling. For that, go to the main settings and then click the footer settings, then footer top. From here, you can actually select either enable or disable the entire footer top settings. And then the option to select from where the footer top content will be shown, either from the footer top widget or the customizer itself. If you select the customizer, then all the content will be shown from the customizer, and it is from the site info. And either it can be the phone number, email address, opening hour, or the address. Based on your theme, any of those options can be available. And if you select footer top widget to be as your content, then you need to go to your admin panel, then widget, then click the footer top. And from here, you can add any of the block or widget itself for the footer top content. And once you make any changes, don't forget to update here. And for the customizer, if you make any changes, don't forget to click the publish button. And that's all. Thanks for watching.